Hello friends, welcome to Vidya's cooking channel. This is Vidya Lakshmi. I'm back with a new recipe. Today I'm going to show you how I prepared Peri Peri Paneer Tikka. This is wonderful. It's an excellent starter. You can also serve it for biryanis. It's very nice and tasty. So here I've prepped up and laid out all the ingredients required for this recipe. We need paneer, peri peri, spice mix. We need spice powders. We need some onion, capsicum, grated cheese, and bamboo skewers. I'll list all the ingredients, what I've used in this recipe, in the description box below this video. Here you can see in a mixing bowl I've added paneer cubes. I'll be adding the onions, which is chopped into petals. Then I'll be adding my bell peppers, that is capsicum. We'll be adding our spice powders. Here I'll be using curry powder, chili powder, salt, and little bit of cumin powder to enhance the flavor and taste in this recipe. We'll also be adding our peri peri masala, which is readily available in the packet, so you can use that peri peri masala. I normally freeze all these masalas and for preservation, so that's why the peri peri masala was nice and frozen. So I've added the peri peri masala. Then we'll combine all these masalas in the paneer, add tiny amount of fresh cream. That is up to you. You can add fresh cream or you can add yogurt. Give all this a good mix and allow it to marinate for 5 minutes. That's about it. Then you can soak your bamboo skewers in water or wash it in water. Then start skewering your paneer, marinated paneer, in the bamboo skewers along with the bell peppers and onion, and we'll start grilling them out. There is a new addition to my kitchen. I've been preparing a lot of recipes using this barbecue grill. This is an electric barbecue grill from American Micronic. I'm really enjoying this because it is wonderful. Yeah, first and foremost, I live in an apartment and we cannot have any smoky barbecues, but I really enjoy the grill and barbecues. So this is something really that I enjoyed using in my house, in my kitchen, with no effort at all. You don't have to heat your coals and then start barbecuing and grilling. You just place this grill oven and you place it on 5 mode and you heat up the grill pan, and then you start placing your skewers and flip it to both sides. Start frying your meats or paneer or vegetables as per choice, and you have this perfect grilled items are readily available at home. So this is something I really enjoyed. I'll post more details in the description box below this video. As you can see, my paneer skewers are already done. In 5 minutes I finished preparing this, and this is a non-stick coated barbecue grill. It's easy to clean. All the information and a detailed review will be coming in my upcoming recipe videos. I've served my peri peri paneer skewers. So that's how easy it was. Until next time friends, this is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.